Hello everyone, my name is Darsona. I am interested in learning about sewing tools. It's simple and practical ones that can be used at home. Uh, and One of these tools in mini sewing machine. In this review, I will explain the usefulness and performance of a mini sewing machine. And this is sewing machine. The mini sewing machine is a practical tool for beginners and hobbyists. Its competencies make it easy to store and carry, especially for those who work in a limited space. Although it does not have many features and full-sized machine in work was simple repairs, hemming, clothes, and small sewing projects.